I know the AUD section can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can master it. Let's see how you'd handle a classic exam question. Alright, here's a sample question you might see on the AUD section. An auditor is testing the completeness assertion for accounts payable. Which procedure is most effective? A. Vouch recorded payables to supporting documentation. B. Confirm accounts payable with vendors. C. Trace receiving reports to the ledger. D. Examine subsequent payments. Before you answer, let's break down what the question's really asking. The completeness assertion is all about making sure nothing's been left out, no liabilities forgotten. So, we want to start from the source, things like receiving reports or invoices, and make sure everything gets recorded in the books. Let's look at the choices. Option A, vouching, goes from the books to the documents. Great for existence, but not completeness. Option B, confirmations, can help, but they're not as direct for completeness as other procedures. Option D, examining subsequent payments, can catch some unrecorded liabilities, but it's not the most direct either. Option C is where the magic happens. When you trace receiving reports to the ledger, you're ensuring every goods receipt makes it onto the books. That's completeness in action. So the best answer? C. Trace receiving reports to the ledger. When you're tackling AUD questions, always think what's the assertion, and what's the most direct way to test it. Practice with questions like these, and you'll be ready for whatever the exam throws at you. Got your answer right? Let me know in the comments, and keep grinding, future CPA.